Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add infinite scroll on Shopify collection page. And with the horizon theme, this process has become very easy. Before that, there was some manual process, but currently you just have to add the code in the theme customization and it will work really fine without an issue. The best part is, and I will also show you how you can do further editing in the code. So the process is very simple. The first step you have to do is go to customize. Okay, and there is a code I'm listing in the description of this video. You just have to copy this code, that's it, and paste in the description, or custom code, sorry, paste in the custom code section of collection page. So I have created a collection, and I have listed like 25 products. The reason I have listed 25 products, I will tell you the reason later on. So you have to click on all collections. So this collection has 25 products, more than 24, and I want to add the pagination overall to the collection page, and it will apply to all the collections having more than 24 products. So 24 products is considered one Shopify collection page. So before more than 24 products, the collection page number 2 is created automatically, but we will not create that page. Basically we want the infinite pagination. Okay, so this is the whole agenda for this video. So we have opened the default collection, and as you can see, so I have added the custom liquid. So you have to add the custom liquid. For example, if I delete this one, and I click on add section. So basically after the collection you have to click on add section, and then you have to click on custom liquid and copy paste the code that I just added in the doc file. So you just have to copy this one. So let me copy this one. So you have to control A, control C, and then control V. That's it. So custom liquid, and you have to copy this code here and then click on save. That's it. This is how it will work. So let me tell you, this is an Ajax functionality. Basically I have added a button which will be hidden but will be shown when there are more than 24 products. So 24 is a standard in Shopify. You can also change that standard. You can change the standard to 12. That's up to you. But after you will add this code will work fine for every collection, and the pagination infinite scrolling will be added automatically. Okay, so that's it. It will be displayed automatically. So for example, it has 25 items. So just keep an eye on the URL and you will know what I'm referring to. I will go down, and these are 24 products and load more button and 25 products. So as you can see, page 2, it has already automatically created the page 2 and created an infinite scrolling. So it is working really fine. Let me show you what is the Shopify standard for the collection page. For example, if I open the code for main collection dot liquid, as you can see, this is line number 44, paginate collection dot products by 24. So for example, this is the default behavior. Like if there are more than 24 products, it will create a new page. You can change this behavior. You can change it, like you can do it to 10. So you want that if the user scroll more than 10 products, a new page should be created, and we have added the code that when the new page will be created, it should have the infinite scrolling. Okay, so let's save it. Now let's test if the criteria is working or not. So this was an additional thing that I want to tell you, that you can change the functionality as well. So yeah, so these are like 10 products, and now the pagination is created automatically. As you can see, page 2. So pagination is working really fine without any issue. So this is infinite scrolling, and this is now page 3 because we have changed the default functionality. Okay, I basically don't like to the pagination for 10 products. I want to keep it default. So again, so that's a simplest way to create the pagination in the uh horizon theme, and it works fine for almost all the themes. And if there is any issue, please let me know in the comments. If the code is not working for the theme, this is a generic code and should work for every theme. I have currently tested for horizon theme only, and I have added in the theme customization. It is working really fine. So the only step you have to do is create a new section for named as custom for the custom liquid, and just have to copy paste the code that I created, and then it will be done. If you want to change the page behavior, you just have to open the main collection.liquid, and you can change paginate collection.products by 24. You can change the value to any value you want. You can even do like 4. Okay, so it's up to you, but I will, it's not recommended. Currently I have 25 products and it's working really fine. So I hope the things are clear, and this code is basically script JavaScript code, and basically it adds the Ajax. It's an Ajax code, you can say. So it's working really fine. I've tested it, and please let me know if there is an issue. Thank you very much.